everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with them. That's a soapy stories, and today I talk about Skeem Saam. Guys, we are back again to Lehasa Kwezikazi and the Pretty storyline, and I hope you are still enjoying it because wow, October is all about them. Well guys, it seems as if Pretty is losing the battle as much as Lehasa loves her, but life want them separated. Kwezi is raising her standard. Now she don't care about Lehasa anymore. What she want is his wealthy, and she want him arrested so that she can inherit everything that Lehasa owns. Where does that put Pretty? Guys, does she have future with Lehasa? I don't see that happening. According to the teasers, Lehasa will pay Lobola for his baby mama Kwezikazi, which makes her a legal wife compared to Pretty, who is no one in Lehasa's life besides being her girlfriend or his girlfriend. Guys, October teasers reveal the following hints. Pretty will find herself alone and gutted in the hotel room. Lehasa, guys, Pretty has to make a difficult decision once again after Lehasa paid Lobola for Kwezikazi. Lehasa is forced to choose between the love of his life and his freedom. So guys, I think uKwezikazi uzomenza ukuthi choose ukuthi if you choose uPretty kusho ukuthi you lose your freedom. So yeah, it's a difficult choice to make for Lehasa, guys, and with the trial looming, Lehasa fears it's the end of him. Pretty experiences Lehasa's dark side, and it's not nice. Things get too hard to handle for Lehasa in court, and Ellie's testimony further sinks Lehasa into the ground. Guys, Lehasa is a ball of nerves waiting for his verdict. Mind you guys, Lehasa haven't told Pretty about his involvement in Fanny's death, so she will be surprised to see Lehasa's dark side, and I feel sorry for her. Guys, love is dangerous. Bari lerata namatlo aliboni noma usiyophoseka eweni. I just feel sorry for Pretty, guys. Kubhlungu ngampela what is happening to her. Back to you guys, what are your expectations? Do you want to see Lehasa going to jail, or you want to see him with Pretty, or you want to see a happy family, kaKwezikazi nomntanakhe no Lehasa as a happy couple? Guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.